upbeat music plays, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchases while keeping your wallet happy. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between two steam mops that promise to wipe away your dirt and grime like they're running for office. On our left, we have the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop, your trusty cleaning sidekick that's ready to tackle the mess. And on the right, we have the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner, because who doesn't want a mop that doubles as a handheld cleaner? It's like having a Swiss Army knife but for your floors. Let's see which steam mop comes out on top in this epic battle of cleanliness. First, let's talk about the price. The BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is priced at a budget-friendly $49, making it a great option for those looking to save. Many users appreciate its affordability, especially given its effective cleaning abilities. However, some reviews do mention frustrations with the short cord and the need for an extension cord. On the other hand, the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner comes in at $104. While it's pricier, users highlight its versatility and effectiveness on various surfaces, justifying the higher cost. If you're on a tight budget, BLACK+DECKER is your best friend. But if you're willing to invest a bit more for added features, the Newbealer might be calling your name. Next up is heat up time. The BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop heats up in just 30 seconds, allowing users to start cleaning quickly, which is praised by many reviewers who appreciate the efficiency. However, some have noted that, while it heats up fast, it may not maintain steam pressure for long. In contrast, the Newbealer heats up even faster, in just 20 seconds. Reviewers love this feature, as it allows them to start cleaning even sooner. For those who can't wait, the Newbealer takes the crown in this category. Now, let's talk versatility. The BLACK+DECKER is great on sealed surfaces, like hardwood and tile, but lacks the flexibility of attachments. Many users find it reliable for regular cleaning, but wish it could do more. In contrast, the Newbealer is a true multitasker, functioning as both a steam mop and a handheld cleaner, making it suitable for hard floors, carpets, and even car interiors. Reviewers love its various attachments that enhance its usability, making the Newbealer the clear winner in versatility. Let's get steamy with steam control. The Newbealer offers 3 adjustable steam modes, allowing users to tackle everything from stubborn stains to gentle cleaning. Reviewers appreciate this flexibility, especially when dealing with different surfaces. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER is more limited, operating like a one-speed bicycle. While it gets the job done, it doesn't provide the range of steam control that some users might need for tougher cleaning jobs. Here again, the Newbealer takes the lead. Finally, let's talk cord length. The BLACK+DECKER features a 12-foot cord, which some users find adequate for small spaces, but often wish it were longer. Reviewers frequently mention needing an extension cord for larger areas. In comparison, the Newbealer boasts a 16-foot cord, providing that extra length to reach further without hassle. This is a definite plus for those who want to clean multiple rooms without moving the plug. The Newbealer wins this round too. In summary, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses. The BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is praised for its affordability and ease of use, but users often mention its short cord and limited features. On the other hand, the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner shines with its versatility, quick heat-up time, and adjustable steam settings, although it comes at a higher price. Ultimately, the choice depends on your cleaning needs and budget. So after all that steamy comparison, who's the winner? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, reliable steam mop that gets the job done, the BLACK+DECKER is your go-to. But if you want versatility, adjustable steam, and a cleaning ninja that can do it all, then the Newbealer is the mop for you. Remember, folks, whether you're Team Black & Decker or Team Newbealer, make sure you buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you've tried these mops and which one you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it steamy and clean. Upbeat music fades out.